Hello everyone, it's karatemask. I'll talk about practicing kicking combinations. This practice method will not only help you improve your kicking, but also your stepping technique during kumite. The following is a list of the menu by difficult level. So please try the menu that best suits your level of ability. Be sure to watch this without skipping it, as you will not be able to do the entire menu unless you watch it all the way to the end. And I've also planned a practice video specifically for this kicking menu, so please practice while watching the video. Before starting lesson, this channel is a video to support beginners who want to get a black belt, and I planned video to show karate tips and training methods for beginners. And please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it, because this video has the advantage that you will be able to practice and improve efficiently. Then let's get it started. Level 1. Front round kick. Beginner's example. Free your hind legs. Front round kick. Return the kick leg. Return the rear leg to its original position. 4 movements. Two movements. One movement. Once you can do this, go to the next level. Example of advanced. If you get used to the previous movement, try this one as well. Using the force to raise the front legs causes the back leg to move forward. The trick is to raise the knee higher than waist level. Bring back the back leg at the same time you bring back the kicking leg. Level 2. Front round kick. Opposite round kick. Front round kick, then opposite round kick. Ensure that the stance is opposite after the kick. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. First, do the movement slowly, one at a time to avoid 2. Next, do it 2 movements and finally do 1 movement. If the previous movement can be done, the front and rear legs should be worked together, as in the previous advanced. Let's not intensely and do this one at the time once as well. Level 3. For beginners, front back and front leg. Let's do this one movement at the time as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Example of advance. Smooth footwork is possible when done with certain legs. Done it quickly is not good. Be aware of your form and use careful form. Letter 4. For beginner. Front, back, front, back kicks. This will be the last menu section. It's going to get complicated, but thank you for seeing me this far. We are almost there. I'll explain this again slowly, one at a time. Do it in 2 movements, and when you get used to it, do it in the 1 movement. For advanced students, a right kick to the sandbag is sufficient. Make sure your core is not shaky and relax your shoulders. How was it? You don't have to do the entire menu at once. Do it slowly and surely to avoid injury. I'm happy to introduce you to my favorite kicking menu. This is the first time I have done this menu after knee surgery, and I'm relieved to have done it successfully. Everyone, please be careful to avoid injury. It can be a painful movement, but try to practice it once a week. It's natural that everyone cannot do it at first. The key is ability to continue. When you can do this, you will quickly approach the level of black belt. If you think this video is good, please leave a comment. It will encourage me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.